how to fix scrolling issues on a Logitech MX Master 4 when using a MacBook. So the first thing you can do is go into your system settings and then go into mouse. So in here you can adjust the scroll speed and you can also turn off the natural scrolling. That's what will switch the scroll the other way around, so it's like a Windows PC when you go to scroll on your mouse. So the next thing you can do is open up Logitech Option Plus. You need to click on your device and then go to point scroll press scroll wheel. So here you can adjust the scroll speed, the scroll force and the sensitivity. You could also do a bunch of other stuff like smooth scrolling, smart shift, and even toggle off your natural scrolling in this menu here too. So if you're having issues with the scroll wheel lagging or anything like that, you may just need to charge your device. If that doesn't work, you can go into system settings, go to Bluetooth, and then you'll just need to disconnect and reconnect your mouse. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if this helped.